children, welcome to class 4 social studies, topic the southern plateau. So almost we are at the end of the lesson, children. So I'm going to show you what are the important states and the life in the region. Okay, the southern plateau is surrounded by the states of, here you can observe Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, okay, parts of West Bengal, okay, like that it will come Rajasthan and little Gujarat also it will come, children. So these are the important states located around these plateaus, okay. Then you have and they are all densely populated, children, okay. And then as they have dense forest and also rich in minerals, the states are thickly populated. Farming and mining are the important occupations of this region. The next one, children, page number 47, you have the states and their important facts. Okay, if you have textbook, you can just see to that. Watch this video and after this take your book and see. Okay, I am reading and going. So in Madhya Pradesh, you have the important cities Bhopal, Indore and Gwalior. Tourist spots Kanha National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, Sanchi Stupa. In the Sanchi Stupa only our national emblem is taken, children. That lion with Satyameva Jayate, Jain, this chakra is there, no? That one and all is taken from this place, Sarnath Pillar at Sanchi Stupa. Then you have the temples of Khajuraho, etc. Then it is famous for Chanderi sarees and diamonds. Next, coming to Chhattisgarh, the important cities are Raipur, Bilaspur, Korba. Then tourist spots are Chitrakoot, Tirthgarh, Gavarda, Palace, etc. Okay, tourist places in Chhattisgarh. Then it is famous for Bhilai steel plant. As I told you, the plateau region is rich in mineral resources. So here the steel plant is there. From iron, they are taking out steel, children. Then forest products. And then Chhattisgarh mostly it is of a forest area only, children. Jharkhand, you have the important cities Ranchi, Jamshedpur, Dhanbad, Bokaro, Hazaribagh. Okay, then tourist spots Netrahat, Betla National Park, Dazam Falls. Okay, then it is famous for Bokaro steel plant, Jamshedpur steel plant and metal works, Chhat Puja and Chahu dance. These are all famous over there, children. Then coming to Odisha, you have the important cities Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Rourkela, Puri, etc. Then the tourist spots are Jagannath Temple, the world famous, children. The Jagannath Temple Yatra is world famous. Okay, Sun Temple in Konark. Okay, this is also world famous. And then Puri beach. Okay, then it is famous for Odissi dance and the Chilika lake, children. Okay, it is one of the largest lake in India. Then next we are going to see the state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So the important cities are Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam, and then tourist spots are Charminar. Okay, then Salarjung Museum, Golconda Fort. Okay, children, these are famous tourist spots. Then famous for Kuchipudi dance, Bidri work, IT industries and automobile. As how Bangalore is famous for IT, no, like that Hyderabad is also famous. And then coming to Tamil Nadu, important cities Chennai, Kanyakumari, Coimbatore. Then tourist spots are Mahabalipuram, Ooty, Madurai. Madurai is a temple city, children. Mahabalipuram beach. Okay, then so many rocket temples are there. Okay, then it is famous for South Indian dishes, Bharatanatyam, dance, textile and Carnatic music. Okay, so this one is famous for Tamil Nadu. The next one is Maharashtra. The important cities are Mumbai and Pune, and then tourist spots are Gateway of India. There are two Gateway of India, children. One is at Mumbai and another one is at Delhi. And then this Siddhi Vinayak temple. Okay, Siddhi Vinayak temple, that is also very famous. And Ajanta and Ellora caves. Okay, so you have the Buddhist people have painted over there in that caves, Ajanta and Ellora caves. Then it is famous for Lavani dance. How Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi is there, no? Like that, it is famous for Lavani dance. Mumbai High. In Mumbai High only, they are taking out petroleum children. Okay, Mumbai High. Then Ganesha Chaturthi festival, IT companies, Bollywood, oranges, Marine Drive. Marine Drive means the road along the sea is there, no children. It is a long stretch of road that is called as Marine Drive, and the Nagpur oranges are very famous. Then Karnataka. So we are all living in Karnataka. The important cities are Bengaluru and Mysuru. The tourist spots are Mysore Palace. So Dasera time they celebrate it in a nice way. Then you have the India's largest waterfall, Jog Falls and Coorg. It's a hill station and it is famous for coffee also. Then it is famous for IT industry, coffee, handicrafts, gold, etc. children. Okay. So these are the states and they are important for and what are their tourist places. So take your textbook and read children all these things. Okay, see you in the next class children. By this, this lesson is getting over. Okay children, thank you. See you in the next class.